Dr. Joe from Barnhart Dental, and today we're going to do a little bit of a different video. We're going to have a little bit of a helper, this girl right here, and she is going to help show us and demonstrate how to brush teeth and do a good job keeping kids' teeth clean. First thing we're going to be talking about is how young should you brush your kids' teeth? And the answer to that is pretty simple: when they get teeth. So that's when we want to start brushing those baby teeth, and that's usually going to be around that 6 months of age. Start gentle. You can have, there's some little finger brushes that you can brush your teeth with, or you can just use a soft, small toothbrush. I'm getting distracted by Yaddy. So you can use a small toothbrush. Now, when you want to do the flossing, though, that's a little bit of a different story. You don't want to start doing that until they get contacts between their teeth. So whenever their teeth are pushing together like this, that's whenever you want to take like a little flosser and make sure that you can go between those teeth, getting them really comfortable with that. Next thing is when they should come to the dentist for the first time, and usually around 2 years old is a pretty good time. If nothing else, just to get them really confident and comfortable in the chair so that they don't have any trouble going to the dentist, which you actually just had your appointment not too long ago. What was it, like last week, I think? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it fun? Yeah, sure, okay. All right, what type of toothpaste? Don't use a type of toothpaste with fluoride when they're young, because we don't want them to swallow it and get that in their system. Whenever they're old enough to spit it out, then you can go ahead and start using toothpaste with fluoride. You can also start using a mouthwash with fluoride too, once they're old enough to spit it out. In that situation, I would just err toward the side of a little bit later, just because we don't want them to ingest that. Okay, time for some demonstration. You ready? Okay, so what do we do first? Lean your head back. Okay, good job. So we're going to take just a tiny bit of toothpaste is fine. You don't need much at all. So I like to use a electric toothbrush, because a manual toothbrush you can use, but you have to be really good at getting all the little areas, whereas an electric toothbrush, you can just move it around whenever it's on and it gets pretty much all the plaque off. Okay, ready, Eddie? Okay, stand up. Okay, lean your head back. Lean your head back. Okay, and what do you say? Say ah. Okay, so we're just going over all of the areas on the inside, on the outside, on the top, on the bottom. Tilt your head way back. We don't want to just do the front teeth, that's for sure. You want to get all the way to the back teeth. Okay, very good. All different areas. Okay. Now close your teeth. Good. We get all those front areas. Good job. Okay. Open up real wide. Open up, open up. Go ah. Go ah. Say ah. There we go. And brush that tongue. Okay, very good. Next thing is we're going to do some flossing. So any teeth that are butting up against each other, those we want to get the floss into and in between, because otherwise, even in kids, they can get cavities that go into basically into each teeth from between those areas. So, okay, good job. Okay, so we just want to go through. We don't want to press hard into those gums. Open, open, open. Just go in between each teeth here. If it's open, not as much of a big deal. Okay, very good, very good. And then we'll do the top later on. Very good. All right, so that's pretty much it. So the big thing is we want to make sure and brush those teeth definitely twice a day, right after breakfast and right before bed, making sure no food gets stuck in there. We want to floss, and we also want to start their dental appointments, like I say, around that 2 years of age, just to get comfortable with everything. Other than that, that's pretty much it. What do you think, Eddie? Okay, so for infants, what we're going to do is we're going to brush our gums. So we've got a couple little things. We've got a little banana brush right here, and we also have a little pinky brush right here. A pinky brush on my big hands. So what we do is we just pull our lip down, and just brush our gums. This can really start at any time. We're really just trying to get them comfortable with having little brushes in their mouth and things like that, so they don't fuss. So just brush, squeaky brush. Okay, and then also, here's this, just brushing that. That's all there is to it. You don't need any toothpaste or anything like that. We're just trying to massage those gums and get them used to it. Do you like to brush your teeth? Is it fun? Okay, all right. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.